You have clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast Discussion for July 7th to the 19th. Good day. And we're going to look at the current pattern. Here we have our Bermuda high here affecting the eastern U.S. And we have our ridge here creating hot temperatures in the west. Now, in between here, we have an area of heavy rain. Generally, like across this area here. And what I want to show you here is a water vapor imagery. And we're seeing like an omega block here. Here's our ridge. Here's our trough. And look at this plume of moisture being pushed up here. Heavy rain. I think I saw something on Twitter. Like 10 inches of rainfall on parts of Florida. And you notice how the ridge builds in is pushing the rainfall to the west. Now, another thing I want to show you, this is also shows up on this is the NAM forecast. And as I go further, you'll see the same thing. And you can see in here, this is where our heaviest rainfall is occurring. Okay, now we're going to look at the period. Well, I went back up a little bit. And the pattern right now consists of a ridge in the west and a ridge in the east and a trough in between. But late in the period, the pattern will revert back to an eastern Pacific trough, west central North American ridge, and an eastern North American trough. Rainfall is forecast north of the polar front across the plains, Midwest, Great Lakes, and the Northeast. Now, I was looking at some other models, the Weather Prediction Center's rainfall amounts, and they're expecting very impressive rainfall spreading back into the Northeast. Another rainfall expected along the Gulf Coast as energy tracks across the area, and monsoonal moisture expected across southeast Arizona and portion of New Mexico as the ridge begins to amplify over the Rockies. The rebuilding of the ridge over the west will lead to above normal temperatures. Temperatures are expected to be above normal across the central plains of the northern mid-Atlantic and New England. Temperatures are expected to be near normal over the remainder of the east. So, the ensembles are indicating a low amplitude pattern for July 10th to the 14th. See, it's very weak anomalies. A weak trough forecast over the Eastern Pacific, a ridge forecast for the Rockies, and a trough in the east. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures across this region. For precipitation, still forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. Now, we're going to go back to further into the period, and this is for July 15th to the 9th. Still very weak height anomalies. The assumptions are indicating the pattern to be similar to that in the previous pattern for July 15th to the 19th, although the pattern is forecast shift eastward. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Mullins World Weather, and have a good 4th of July. Thank you.